Are you struggling from ashy patches of foundation on your face? And no matter what orange color corrector you choose, it either turns your face more ashy or it turns it into more orangey. Then here's a guide on how to choose the right color corrector for your face. And so if you're ready, let's begin. By this time, most of us know that pigmentation or hyperpigmentation requires orange color corrector to cancel out its blue undertones, but there are so many orange color correctors in the market to choose from. So how do we select the correct one? And what I like to do is, just like we match our foundation to our skin tones, I tend to match the color corrector to the tone of my pigmentation. As you can see, I have slight pigmentation around my mouth, which doesn't appears to be too dark but rather of a medium shade, which means the blue undertones of the pigmentation isn't too extreme. Keeping this in mind, I'll choose the salmon color corrector as it matches my pigmentation the most. But before I try it on, let's first see what happens with the other two color correctors. On my left side, I'll try this peach color corrector. This one's from the Inside Color Correcting palette. And on my right, I'll be applying the orange color corrector. And for foundation, I'll be using the PAC HD Liquid Foundation in the shade 3.9. And as you can see, my left side has turned ashy because I applied a color corrector that was too light for my pigmentation, and my right hand side has turned orange as it was too dark. Now let's try the salmon color corrector. This one's by Miss Claire. And here you can see how beautifully this has neutralized my pigmentation. And now when I apply my foundation over it, it doesn't turn ashy or orangey. And here is the finished look. So if you enjoyed this video and happen to learn something, then please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left the link to my social media accounts in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.